If you want to change messages tone on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then we can do two things on this phone to change that. The first option is to open settings. In settings, you can scroll down a little bit and go to sound and vibration. And then in here we have the notifications option. Of course, new incoming messages are part of notifications. So when you receive a new message, the notification sound is being played. So essentially you can change the notification sound to change the message tone. So here, once you open this app over here with the ringtone category selected, you can go to pre-installed ringtones, then you can choose notifications, and then you can just simply choose the sound that you like the most. Now, in case you want to change just the message tone, so you don't want to change the notification sound, you just want to change the sound for new messages, then in that case, we're gonna go back to the main menu of settings. Then in here, open notifications and status bar. Then we're gonna go to app notifications, and then here we need to find the messages app. There we go. Now in here, we need to find incoming messages. You want to select that option, then you tap on sound, and then you choose the sound that should be used for those new messages. You can still tap on them in order to have a little preview, but this time you actually have to tap on the apply button on the right side and confirm your choice. And that is pretty much it. Now, if you receive a new message, that selected sound is going to be played. So leave a like and subscribe.